Hi, Johnny Locksmith here with Fast Las Vegas Locksmiths. Here in Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world, with the town running 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, residential locksmith service is in high demand. This service has been growing and expanding in different directions here in Las Vegas for several years now, with foreclosures ranging around 15%. And as you can imagine, one of the largest clients for local locksmiths here in Las Vegas are banks and property management companies. Every time someone moves out of a home, the entire property must be rekeyed for the client, which is usually the bank and or property management company, for complete security. Now, professional locksmiths here in Las Vegas provide not only that service, but a variety of other security system issues also, from automobile lockouts to residential home lockouts to 24-hour locksmith service. If you'd like the fastest, dependable, and most affordable locksmith here in Las Vegas, visit our website at www.fastlasvegaslocksmith.com.